California following this massive underwater volcanic eruption in the Pacific, caught on satellite off the islands of Tonga. And take a look at these.
This station has interrupted their normal programming to participate in activation of emergency alert system. Please stand by for an important message. Thank you for waiting while we broadcast this important message. At 4:37 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a tsunami wave was spotted in Hawaii. The size of the wave are approximately 500 feet. This massive wave was caused by an eruption of a huge underground volcano. All residents of Washington, Oregon, California, and Nevada should evacuate to the east. You have approximately 2.5 hours until first wave will hit. If you cannot evacuate, go to a building with a highest floor of at least 550 feet. Get essential supplies, like water, food, flashlight, and battery-powered or hand-crank radio. Tune to this station, 86.3, to keep yourself updated on the latest news. After 3 days water will recede and you will be able to go outside. If you have your own vehicle, obey all traffic laws, to not make the evacuation slower because of all accidents. If you do not have your own vehicle, public transportation will transport you to a safe location. The evacuation points are in Barrow, Utah; Boise, Idaho; Coeur d'Alene, Montana; Reno, Nevada; Sulphur, Nevada. Drive to one of the locations, or if you do not have your own vehicle, public transportation will drive you there. Update. This following countdown shows how much time there are left until tsunami will hit. Evacuate or seek shelter now. We will update if more information is needed. Update, update, update. This is an update for previous broadcast. The 500 feet tsunami wave will hit in approximately 1.5 minutes. There is no time to evacuate. Hide in a tall building higher than 520 feet and hide there for 3 days. After 3 days water will recede. Emergency alert. After the first 500 feet wave, PTWC speculated that there are another giant wave, and its height is 1,200 feet. This wave will hit in about 2 minutes. If you can go on the highest floor of children, and grace with us, because this is the only way we will survive.